Hello, today I will show you how to unblock a number on your Samsung Galaxy A25. First, you'll need to open the dialer app. It's that green icon with phone. Here you will need to tap the little three dots in the top right corner. It will extend the menu from which we need to choose settings. While in settings, tap on block numbers. Here you can block a number by simply tapping it in, but what we want to do is to unblock a number after all. So we need to simply locate the number that we have blocked before and tap on the minus next to it. It will be unblocked, and now you can once again get messages and calls from that number. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.